Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to divide a circle into 365.25 parts to create a calendar scale. The smallest fractions of 365 are 5 and 73. It is impossible to divide the circle into 73 parts by any means. Out of 365.25 parts, set aside 5.25 parts and concentrate only on 360 parts. The smallest fractions of 360 are 5, 3, 3, 2, 2 and 2. Dividing the circle in this way is possible. If 360 is divided by 365.25, each part will be of 0.9856 degree. 360 parts out of 365.25 will thus cover 354.83 degrees, and the remaining 5.25 parts will cover 5.17 degrees. First, divide 354.83 into 5 equal parts. Then divide each of those parts into 3 equal parts twice, and finally divide each part into 2 equal parts 3 times. Using the cosine rule, divide 354.83 degrees into 5 equal parts. According to the cosine rule, if the lengths of two sides and one angle of a triangle are known, then the length of the third side can be found using the formula c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. Here, the two sides represent the radius of a circle, and the angle measures 70.96 degrees, which we arrived at by dividing 354.83 by 5. Using the cosine formula, the length of the third side on the circumference of a circle having a radius of 10 cm is 11.61 cm. Using the divider, mark the circumference with a length of 11.6 cm. The remaining part is 5.17 degrees and will be divided into 5.25 parts at the end. Verify each part in degrees using the protractor. Divide 70.96 degrees into 3 equal parts of 23.65 degrees again by using the cosine rule. The length of the third side measures 4.17 cm. Mark the circumference using the divider. Once again, divide 23.65 degrees into 3 equal parts of 7.89 degrees using the cosine rule. The length of the third side is 1.38 cm. Now there are 45 parts. Using the angle bisector method, divide each of the 45 parts into half. Further dividing each part 2 more times using the angle bisector method will result in 180 parts and then 360 parts. This means that 354.83 degrees is now divided into 360 parts. Now let's divide the remaining 5.17 degrees into 5.25 parts. 4 parts out of 5.25 parts will cover an angle of 3.94 degrees. Therefore, the remaining 1.25 part is of 1.23 degrees. Using the cosine rule, the length of the third side for 3.94 degrees is 0.69 cm. Divide this into 2 parts twice using the angle bisector method. In this way, the entire circle will be divided into 365.25 parts. So, now we come to the last section of making an astrolabe, which is the orientation of this calendar scale.